choice today with the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, roof rails, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, low tire pressure warning, first aid kit, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather wrapped steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.